This is Santa.
And kitties.
Toy Box. Follow me, cameraman. First, this is our table.
Tea set.
Just table tea set. And oh god.
You know what? I'm tired of being pushed around. I'm quitting.
Oh well, it doesn't matter. Cause I can get someone to work for me but snap my fingers. Snapper, snap, snap.
I'm here for the internship.
See?
So, what are we advertising next?
Follow me, Toy Man. Or whatever. This is our car.
It's a car made specially by Santa the Sloppy Walrus. Who's awesome.
Oh yeah. Wow. Yeah.
Such an honor, such an honor.
It is. Now, here we are. Is our...
Ow! My gosh, you're Santa Sloppy Walrus! Mom, go away.
Oh, so much stuff everywhere. Here we have is our special novelties. And follow me, cameraman. Our dead paper collection. We have a choice from Red Riding Hood to Gangster.
Tell little baby.
Yeah! Now, come over. Are you okay? Oh, get up. Here we have, it's like bad. Mad for jumping and slapping.
Such an honor.
I know, truly is.
What? I said you did not get someone to replace me. I am the one of a kind.
Yeah, so am I. And so is she. She loves things live.
Yes. Such an honor. Such an honor.
It truly is. Truly.
Well, I want my job back.
Well, you're not getting your job back.
I'll be a janitor.
Okay, come, let's stop that. Follow me, sexy lady and cameraman.
I'm mopping. I quit. I hate being pushed around.
Whatever, I could get someone better than you and snap my fingers. Snap, snap, snap. Snap.
I'm here for the job.
Alright, get clinic.
Okay.
Alright, come on, let's go. Oh. Here we have is our gun. Amazing, right? Our bone, our other gun, our seat, and our fruit punch. What? What's the matter?
I'm awesome. So are you. I kissed the ground. You're welcome.
Yes, it is amazing. So, come to Santa's
And kitties.
Toy Box.
No. Wait. You cannot. You can't copy my. Time to leave. What? No.
Wow, bodyguard too. Somebody gets this girl breast.
Come on.
Wow. You want to be slapped again?
Yes.
All right.
Oh, I love you.
Janitor, come here. You want to be slapped?
Shut.
I'll slap you too. Slap her, double slap. Okay. Please come, Santa and Kiddo Toy-Bon. We will be waiting for you.
Yes, we will.
We will be waiting.
In consideration, we, Go Green Girl 188, we are terribly sorry or not sorry. We love Santa Sloppy Walrus.
Yes, everybody loves me.
That's why we used him in this production.
So,
I think we're subscribed to her, right?
yeah, we are.
Okay, we are subscribed to you. So, yes.
Here's for you people out there and go, go, go. Slap! That was super duper slow.
We're also working on our slappy voice.
Oh, I thought I corrected. But, oh god. Yeah.
And courtesy to our cameraman. Woo! I played 2 parts. Woo! I seriously do want my job back.
Fine, to get the job back.
What? That means I'm fired?
No, you're still hired.
Yay! So I'm fired?
No, you're both hired.
If I eat her, is she fired?
No, you're fired then.
If I eat her, is she?
You're fired.
What if I eat the janitor?
Yeah, I'm fine with that. Again, if you like Phantom Sloppy Walrus, subscribe and watch Go Green Girl 188 videos. Again, I am by Go Green Girl. Bye! No, I don't care if this functions. Oh, it's recording.
Hi, I'm Elizabeth Evans, and this is my video diary.
What are you doing?
A video diary! And I will show you my family.
Move.
This one's blind. Just got it. And, everything in the background. I guess I like.
What's this thing do?
I don't care. None of his children are adopted, and my dad is like gone. And I guess I'll show you my mom.
Honey, what are you doing?
Mom, this is my video diary, and say hello to everybody else. Mom!
Your brother got a new cannon.
Did you just see a giant raccoon?
I don't know.
But, anyways.
Move.
I got a better camera from last time. A lot better. Well, too good. You can hear the air conditioner.
See you later, sis. Oh, by the way, I am Derek. She just acted like Batman was her, boyfriend.
Anyways.
And I'm not a dog. I thought I was Derek.
No, you're Derek Jr.
Anyways, I have this order where I pretend. Yes, my darling.
I've been infected. I just had a baby. And another one. And another one. They're all full grown.
What did you say?
There are kids flying out of my butt. Sarah just gave birth today.
Okay. Here, goodbye.
Now you will give birth to people.
Oh, no. Oh, no.
Say it's worse.
Slap. Oh, slap. Slap. yeah. Santa the Slapping Walrus, of course. Slap.
Again, another consideration to Go Green Girl for letting us use, well, not letting us, we kind of just did it, for letting us use Santa the Slappy Walrus. Get out of here, loser!
Again, loser purpose.
The sky is falling. There are little snowdrops falling.
And there's the spaceship. It's coming down from above.
Rambo!
Climb back up. Their spaceship crashed.